Hello, this is Greg Root from Consensus. I'd like to show you a really nice feature in SAP Business One called SAP Links. SAP Links is a grouping of links of relevant sites and assets that are easily accessible from the SAP Business One help menu. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up and use SAP Links. I'm going to go out to a browser to a particular site. I've chosen the Consensus International site. I'm actually just going to go in here, take a copy of that. I can close that site out. I'm going to bring me back to my main menu here. I'm going to type in SAP Links up above here. I can see my link here. I'm going to open this up and you can see this whole graphic section in here. I'm going to take my site and paste that in there, Control V or wherever you prefer to do your site. I'm going to name the site. Tab off of that. I'm going to go down to my bottom left and hit my update key and say OK. From there, I've loaded it into the SAP Links. And if I want to retrieve that or have visibility to myself or other groups, I'm going into my help menu under SAP Links. And I can see there's my Consensus International site right here. I can bring that up on the browser. It'll launch the Consensus window. I can go in here and scroll through anything I want to look at, webinars, how-to, videos and tutorials, do all my searching on here, close out my browser, and I'm right back in SAP Business One. This is a really nice feature. I think it's very valuable. You can hang a lot of material out here, a lot of good assets and sites, and the navigation is very simple to use. So I hope this has been helpful for you and you start using SAP Business One links soon. Thanks very much.